Well, it's not summer without s'mores. Hey y'all, Zet's here. Welcome to Rec and Reading. Your friends here from the Daly City Department of Library and Recreation Services bring you on an adventure. Join us and some of your favorite librarians and wrecking crew as we bring you virtual story times, projects, activities, crafts, recipes, and other fun things related to our theme. This week's theme is Some More Summer. All right, where can you find the best information about the forest? At any branch of the library. Get it? Branch? Oh God, I just burned that one like a marshmallow. Well, let's get under our couch cushion fort and start this adventure.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Amy from Daly City Public Library. Welcome to Rec and Reading. Thank you so much for joining us today. This week is S'more Summer, so all about camping and the outdoors and hiking and eating s'mores, yum. So today I'm going to read Camping Day by Patricia Lakin with illustrations by Scott Nash, and I'm reading this with permission from Penguin Random House. What shall we do today? Said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Cook out, said Sam. Hang out, said Pam. Work out, said Will. Camp out, said Jill. Yes, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Take maps, said Sam. The packs, said Pam. The lights, said Will. The tent, said Jill. We're off, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They drove and drove and drove and drove. They parked their van beside a grove. North, south, east, west. They picked the trail that looked the best. They hiked through woods. They climbed hills too. They stopped inside. Wow, what a view! Birds, said Sam. Trees, said Pam. Flowers, said Will. Bees, said Jill. Freeze, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They crossed a stream. They jumped a fence. Let's camp right here. Set up our tent. Tie where, said Sam. Peg there, said Pam. Can't see, said Will. Help me, said Jill. Finally, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Let's eat, said Sam. Hot dogs, said Pam. And beans, said Will. Oops, toots, said Jill. P.U., said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. S'mores, said Sam. More, said Pam. Song, said Will. Story, said Jill. Scary, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They put out their fire. They put out their light. They shivered in the ink-black night. Who snored? Asked Sam. Who roared? Asked Pam. Who growled? Asked Will. Who yowled? Asked Jill. Let's see, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Wide jaws, cried Sam. Long claws, cried Pam. Big paws, cried Will. Loud roar, cried Jill. Dinosaur, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Let's scram, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They grabbed their things. They ran and ran. They sped away in their small van. Stop, said Sam. Safe, said Pam. Home, said Will. Let's camp, said Jill. Zzz, snored Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill.
Hi, Rec and Reading. My name is Cherry, and today we're going to be making a nature journal inspired by this week's theme, S'more Summer. So for your supplies today, you're going to need glue, a Sharpie, a pair of scissors, a hole puncher, some yarn, white paper, and lunch bags. For your first step, you're going to stack your bags alternating from top to bottom, and then you're going to fold it in half. Your next step is to hole punch the folded side and then cut some string and tie it into the holes. Your last step is to measure and cut the white paper and then glue it onto the inside of your journal. And that's how you make your nature journal. Thanks for watching.
Now I'm going to sing a song about camping. A camping we will go, a camping we will go. Hi-ho and off we go, a camping we will go. First we pitch our tent, first we pitch our tent. Hi-ho and off we go, first we pitch our tent. Next we chop some wood, next we chop some wood. Hi-ho and off we go, next we chop some wood. We light the campfire now, we light the campfire now. Hi-ho and off we go, we light the campfire now. We cook our dinner now, we cook our dinner now. Hi-ho and off we go, we cook our dinner now. We tell fun stories now, we tell fun stories now. Hi-ho and off we go, we tell fun stories now. It's time to go to sleep, it's time to go to sleep. Hi-ho and off we go, it's time to go to sleep. Thank you.
I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Bum, bum.
CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Hi everyone, welcome to another week of Rec and Reading. It's a s'more summer this week.
Yay, s'mores.
So, I am Miss Sarah from the Daly City Public Library. I'm Miss Amy.
And I'm Alex.
And we will be making these really cute woodland paper bag animals. So we have
The fox.
the fox, we have a bear,
A brown bear.
and a deer. At home, what you will need to make these is a plain paper bag, lunch bag, a template. So we have a template for each of the animals that is provided for you. You will need colored paper of your choice. You can use the paper colors that we chose or whatever you would like. We also ask you to have scissors, glue, a pencil or pen to trace the template, and markers to draw the face. If you're going to be making the deer, you might want to have a white pencil or crayon as well so that you can draw on the dots on the deer.
The first thing that we are going to do is we cut out a piece of paper to fit our paper bag, and we are going to glue that onto the paper bag. You don't have to do this, but the next step would be to cut out the pieces of the template and then trace the pieces onto colored paper, like so.
So now we're going to cut out the pieces.
Great. Alright, so now that we have all of our pieces cut out, we're going to get the pieces that go to each of the faces, and we're going to glue those on. We have our faces, so now you can get your marker and draw on the eyes and the nose. Okay, so we have our faces. We're going to glue these onto our bag now, as well as the piece for the belly. And Alex will be putting on his tail for the fox. Alright, we've all created a woodland animal today, and we're going to open up our bag and show you what they look like. Thank you for joining us today.
Hey, Rec and Reading, it's me, Zetz, and today I have a special guest here.
My name's Brandon.
And for s'more summer, we're gonna be making you some more little pies. Let's make a mess. So here's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be taking a Striped Delight recipe, and we're gonna be adding marshmallows in it and on it, and then trying to throw it in the broiler to see if we can get it to toast, and then we'll have some more summer little pies. Are you ready, Brandon?
Yes.
Okay, so for this s'more little pie recipe, you're gonna need 12 mini graham cracker crusties, 8 ounces of cream cheese, some mini mallows. I couldn't get one large size container, so I got 2 small Cool Whips, chocolate syrup, 1 large box chocolate pudding, container of mallow fluff, milk, chocolate chips, more chocolate, some powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. So we're gonna start by putting our graham crackers out on a tray and then making our chocolate pudding. So for this recipe, it says we need to do 3 cups.
I just want to eat it.
Does this smell good? So now we're gonna add 3 cups of milk, okay? I like to take a large milk and put it in a smaller container so the kids can actually pour it themselves. So it's easier for him to be able to hold this than hold this. It's okay if you make a little mess. Very good. Okay, that's 1. We gotta do 2 more. Very good. Now I want you to take this and I want you to give it a good, nice stir. So you're gonna take a scoop like this, and then you're gonna go like that. Okay? Nice scoop. All right, next we gotta make our cream cheese layer. Turn it upside down. Then we have to add mallow fluff. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna add half a container of the Cool Whip. Okay, so now we're gonna take our white layer of cream cheese and we're gonna do the same thing as we did with the chocolate. Good job. Okay, let's get our broiler turned on. We're gonna toast these marshmallows. Now we want to put them in the fridge so we can make sure to get our Jell-O to set back up again. But they're pretty much ready. All right, Record Reading, that's all for today. Here it is, our s'more little pies. Brandon, why don't you take a taste? Is it good? All right. All right, Record Reading, that's it for now. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun. Well, that wraps it up for this adventure. I really hope you enjoyed it. Special thanks to our librarians, Wrecking Crew, and special guests who joined us on this adventure. If you try any of these projects, make sure to share and tag us on Instagram at Daly City Rec so we can see all your goodies. Now do us a favor, if you've not already subscribed, please make sure to do so. Then like and share this video with all your family and friends. That's it for now. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun!